What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am very excited, so stay tuned. I'll let you know what it is. It's an event I found out last night. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today, like I was saying, I am very excited that today I found out, last night I found out that there's an event going on. It's gonna take me an hour and a half to get there, but today it is Saturday. Hopefully you guys enjoy those clips of those new bikes with Kawasaki. So this event is gonna be thrown by Indian, the motorcycle dealership over in Wisconsin. So it's gonna take me an hour and a half to get there. So guys, I'm out here riding. I'm probably like another hour there, so I'm already like halfway. So guys, I am very excited to go to this event. Like I said in my other videos, that for what's going on, I was looking for places to go ride bikes, test out the bikes and see what kind of bike I want to get for my second bike. So you guys see some of my opinions with the Kawasaki ones. So today you'll be able to see my opinion for the Indian motorcycles. So it's a whole different breed. So guys, it's gonna be a separate videos. Hopefully I can ride out as many as I want, but I think I'm not gonna be able to because I'm not gonna have that much time. So hopefully we'll see how that goes. Well, yeah guys, so today there's a lot of people out enjoying the weather. You can see it's a perfect weather today, so it's a great time to go out and ride. So like I said, it's gonna take me an hour and a half, so I'm already a half hour in. So right now I'm literally in the backwoods. I'm taking the back streets, so I don't want to take the highway. I want to enjoy the ride and enjoy the weather. So hold on guys, let me figure out where to go and I'll catch you up in a moment. Alright guys, so it looks like I'm in like a small highway type of deal. Like hopefully the wind is not too bad, as I am going around 60, 65. But I got my vents closed. Yep, got my vents closed. But yeah guys, hopefully today will be fun, and hopefully I can get maybe 4 rides in like the Kawasaki. But because today is a shorter day, yesterday it was a longer day. So the reason I found out, my friend actually posted on Facebook that he's going. So yesterday was Friday, so he ended up going yesterday, and he had his fun time there. So I wanted to go today on Saturday, but today it's only between 10 to 4. Yesterday was between 10 to 5. So it looks like I'm not gonna have too much time to ride, if any, but I got enough time. I should be there in an hour, so I think I should get at least 2 rides in, but we'll see. But I'm trying to see what kind of bikes are out there and which ones should be good for upgrading for myself. And I'll give you guys my opinions about the bikes, how it feels, what's good for me. Then you can go from there. If you have the same like a 32 inseam pant size, you'll be able to see how, if I'm on my tippy toes, I'm sitting down straight, so on and so forth. So you'll be able to see the overall aspect of the bikes fitting me, then you'll be able to see if it fits you. So I'm in the highway, so hopefully I can get a area like a road that's not too high of a speed, so I can talk to you guys a little bit more. But alright guys, I'll be right back. For me it's gonna be about like a few minutes, but for you guys it'll be like seconds. So alright guys. I am back and buggier than ever. So I just got off at a long strip of the way. It was just like a countryside highway, but yeah, I'm on the sides right now. But so I'm in the, like I said, in the side country, so in the farmland. So I'm getting all bugged out right now, so my windshield is getting buggy. Hopefully my GoPro is not bugged out too. Okay, no, it doesn't look like it. But yeah guys, so from the experience I got from the Kawasaki, now I know what to expect with the Indian event. So hopefully I should be prepared a lot more. And another good thing that came out of the Kawasaki, the actual the neck, this thing right here, the face mask they gave, it's actually pretty good. It's covering my neck, so there's no wind going into the microphone on the bottom of the helmet, so it's kind of covering the mic, so it's pretty good. So that's one good thing that came out of the Kawasaki, other than the riding the bikes, getting to know the bike. So but yeah guys, so I'm out here on the farmlands, pretty nice weather. So if you made it this far, like, comment, subscribe, so you can see the bikes I'm gonna be riding for Indian. It's not a sponsored video. I'm just trying to find places that have events going on, or just so I can test out a bike. Trying to figure out what will be my next motorcycle. So events like these will be perfect to test out of bikes, and bikes that I wouldn't even try to test out, like Indian. So we'll see what happens. So stay tuned for those videos, should be coming out soon. So every video should be every week, should be every Wednesday, so stay tuned. Alright guys, thanks for watching for this great news that I found out in the last minute, and hopefully everything will come out great. So alright guys, thanks for watching, subscribe, peace.